Let's talk a little bit about burdock flowers. These are burdock flowers, they're edible and they contain medicinal properties, and burdock is basically a perennial plant known for its various medicinal detoxifying properties, especially for the liver. Now burdock flowers, these are basically small thistle-like flowers, and they appear to be from the colors of pink to dark purple, and they're found on the tall branching stems that can grow up to several feet. Now I found these growing locally here in the Finnish forest, and burdock flowers are actually edible and they can be used in culinary preparations as well. The flowers have a slightly sweet and earthy flavor, and they're often used as a garnish in salads, soups and other dishes as well. They also add color and they add a lovely floral taste and aroma as well. Apart from that, what are their medicinal properties? What are their benefits? So burdock flowers, like